What impact does the artificial intelligence has on education?
I think today we're still in our very first years and only exploring what it can or cannot do. No doubt it will impact how we teach, both as lecturers, how we collect our materials, how material is offered, but also students themselves. For example, they can use AI to generate questions, to make them repeat the material. So we don't know. The only thing that we know that it will no doubt impact the way that we teach. Yeah.
For the things that we know so far, does it have a positive impact or maybe a negative one?
I think as today we are primarily in the stage of experimenting, it is quite harmless. So I don't think we are moving towards the moral panic that we are maybe noticing. So me, myself, I, for example, don't believe that we as lecturers will be replaced by AI systems. So I hope it will be used in a responsible way, and so I would hope or think or assume that it was rather positive than negative. I'm not going to go with the whole story that today all information is chaotic and jobs are being displaced. I hope or choose to believe that that won't be the case.
What about journalism and artificial intelligence, especially in the part of media literacy? How does it impact this field?
Well, 2024, so this year is a year of important elections across the world. And so a lot of people are raising critical voices. We don't know. They are expecting that there will be massive disinformation flows. And it's true. It is very easy to create disinformation and spread it online in an automated way on huge scales. On the other hand, I'm a bit more reluctant because I do believe that, at least in some countries, for example, my country, we have decent journalists, and so information is being shifted by journalists. And it's not because there is a lot of disinformation out there that it will also be consumed. So what you mentioned, like media literacy, is of course an important thing. People should be aware where to check reliable information and also how to recognize maybe information that might be doubtful, or who is this person who's spreading the story. And so I think it won't be such a disaster as some people think. It's not a wave of disinformation that will flood the entire world. I hope, because I choose to think that journalists do their jobs in a proper way.
What would be your advice to the students and to the journalists as well in using the artificial intelligence?
I think the most important thing is to use it in a responsible way. So meaning know what it can do, what it can't do. So I'm not the one who's going to say you're not allowed to use AI in your work. You can, but use it that you are still in charge. You as a person, you and your brain are in charge. And I think both in journalism and in education, I think this system of keeping the human in the loop and giving the final responsibility, that should be human. And I think that it's something that we should, and also be transparent about it. If you use it, fine, but tell me how and why you used it and how it has improved you, or maybe how it's altered you or whatsoever. So my sense is responsible use is the only way to go.